Morning. I need some company in all of this. So this is what I came out to this morning. It's thick. Look at that. Oh my God. It's now 6:32, and you would think that it is 5 a.m. It's 6:32 a.m. and it's really, really, really dark. So I've already done 1 hour of walk. I'm gonna wrap it up because I don't know when we're gonna get rid of this thick darkness. It's very dark. Oh my goodness. Morning. Thanks for this company because it is very dark. I need some company. Hey, good morning. It's 6:32 a.m. and look at this. Oh my God. Woo. I can hardly see. Wow. But I have company. Person's been walking, so it's not too bad. Oh my goodness. Hmm. Wow. Hi. I'm trying to see through all this darkness here. Oh yes, it's very, I don't know, it rained yesterday. So I'm supposed this is why it is so foggy. It's very thick. This fog is so thick. Oh my goodness. It's very, very thick. Oh my God. Ooh. Hey, I said hi. Hi everyone. Thanks. Thanks for joining. Thanks for keeping my company. I appreciate it in this darkness. Cool morning. It's a nice morning to walk, except for the fog. It's really. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Ooh, ooh. Oh, I can hardly see. It's so thick. Hi, Manado. How are you? Oh no. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Mm-mm. Oh my God. It's a little bit clearer here. Mm-mm. Oh my goodness. Yes, it is. So it's exercise morning for me. I walk every morning. I do an hour and a half, so I will do 10,000 steps. So as long as I'm not working, I am out walking. But this morning, this surprises me. I never expected to see all of this. Thank you. I have to keep going because I need to lose the weight and I need to maintain health. So thanks. Oh, Lord. Oh, my goodness. Whew. Thanks. Yeah, I haven't been doing too badly with the walk I want to do. I do 3 miles. Each time I want to increase it to 6 miles, but okay. Thanks. Yeah, we have persons along the way, so I got a little bit scared at some section, but I am not too scared because there are other persons walking. So thank you. Whew. Oh my God, look over there. That's the park and you can't see nothing. Oh my goodness. Whew. Oh my God. Ooh. Okay, guys, I thank you so much. Hi, George Pearl. How you doing? I'm on my early morning walk, but this kind of fog, I was kind of taken aback. I didn't know that this was happening. However, it's now 6:43. I finished 1 hour already. Yeah. So I wanted to do 3 hours, but I'm not gonna do it this morning. The purpose of walking, what do you think? What is someone's purpose of walking? Thanks, guys. Purpose of walking is to lose weight and stay healthy. Okay. Whew. Yeah, it looks it looks scary for real. And it was darker than this. When I started out this morning um I started out at 5:30 and it was darker than this. So it was a little bit scary. But then I met persons along the way, so it's not too bad. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, Lord. Oh, my goodness. Thanks, guys, for staying with me, yeah? Hello, landscaping. Thank you very much. Oh, my goodness. Thanks for staying with me on this scary journey. Yeah, it was really scary this morning. This morning, it was really scary. Ooh, I'm sweating. Can't believe. Ooh. Oh my God. I'm tired. I am a bit tired right now. Thank you everyone for joining and for encouraging me to keep going. I plan to. Oh Lord. Thanks everyone. Thank you very much. Hi. What is it? Yes. I'm protecting myself. Yes, this is Earth. It is Joseph. And yeah, I'm looking about. I'm looking around. I'm trying to ensure that I'm as safe as possible. But it is kind of clearing up now. And as I said, there are persons along the walk. So I am really not alone, even though it's few persons. But I am not alone. So I'm not feeling, I'm not so scared. It was worse than this morning. But I wanted to start and finish early. So I came out early, not expecting to see it so foggy. I was kind of really taken aback, but I decided that I'm not going to go back in. So I just continue walking until I see other persons. So at 5:30, there was about three of us along the trail here. And as I walk along, there are other persons coming and going. And it seemed as if there were other persons before me. So, yeah. But it's clearing up now. And then I get company from you guys, so it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I appreciate the company. Ooh. I need to get 10,000 steps. I'm hoping that I should get it. Actually, I wanted to get 20,000 this morning. That was my plan. Yeah. Hey, watching from California. How are you doing? How are you? I'm trying to keep up. It feels good. Morning. I will be posting my step on my channel as soon as I am finished walking, so you guys can see the amount of steps I did this morning. I'm sure I did 10,000. Oh gosh. Oh, Jesus. All right. It's clearer now. So I will just do another, whoops, few minutes. And then that's it for me. Guys, I thank you so much for staying with me. I think I'm going to end the live now. I'm a bit tired. Thank you very much.